Hi, my name is Jason Arlailo and I'm 16 years old. And I live in Barangay 6, Tanawan City, Batangas. And I'm studying at Tanawan City High School, 4th year high school. And I have a complete family, but I'm sad because they are too big. But I understand it. I love my family and I'm happy with them. In search for myself, I discovered you. And in search for truth, I discovered you. And in search for love, I discovered God. And in God, I found everything. I'm telling the truth. I don't know where I will go now. I don't know what I will do now if God hadn't saved me. God is my strength, and I'm blessed because I have God in my life, and I'm thankful because He is always there when I need Him. That's all. Thank you.